again.
Hi.
So we are currently in Oslob. We've been here for, this is our third day.
Yeah.
It's really nice actually. I've quite enjoyed it. We're in a nice little B&B. We've got a pool. We've got the sea view. It's great. There's not much around here, is there? I mean, Oslob, there's a town further back that way, but there's not many places to eat or anything like that, so we're having to dine most of the time in this place, which is fine. So what have we been up to? And first of all, how did we get here?
So we stopped off at Alcoy, which was like broke up our journey a little bit.
It was okay weather, and then it started raining from then on.
Yeah. So why we stopped in
things.
Alcoy is because we wanted to do Osmena Peak, which is about 45-minute drive. We went up there on the moped.
Yeah, we hired a moped, driving in the rain. It's an experience.
And when we got there, there was a guy selling walking sticks, and we were like, oh no, we'll be fine, because we've done quite a few walks, haven't we? We like walking. And but these two Americans were coming down like, no, you need the sticks because it's really slippy up there, and they're like covered in mud.
Yeah.
So we got a stick each, didn't we? It really did help. It was so slippy, and it was raining, and it's really wet. But
we got there to top after like half an hour of hiking, and do you know what? If it hadn't have been such a misty, wet, windy day, I bet that view would have been unbelievable.
Yeah.
It was like a scene from Lord of the Rings or something. It was really cool. Our plan was then to get the bus again down to Oslob. So we left our B&B, crossed the road, and we were there for like 5 minutes waiting in the heat, which wasn't fun because we had these kids pestering us for money, which is just bizarre. Like 6-7-year-old kids asking for pesos. Anyway.
And then luckily one of the guys who worked at our hotel called Danny.
He was dropping off dive kit, wasn't he?
Yeah, he's a supplier for diving kit. And he was driving all the way to Dumaguete, so he's going through Oslob, and he kindly gave us a lift here. We tried to offer him some money, but he just didn't want it.
We got really lucky.
Yeah, just really nice
lucky.
Guy.
So he saved us a few hundred pesos and a lot of time.
And on our first day,
we just chilled by the pool, didn't we?
Yeah, just chilled out.
Took it really easy, did a bit of work, and then day 2 we went to
SUMILON Island, which is like at the bottom of Oslo. 15-minute boat ride.
Yeah, so we planned this trip through our B&B, and they gave us 2 options. One was a cheaper option. It was 1,500 pesos for the 2 of us, and basically the boat would take you to the sandbar, which is on the island. Sandbar is just a strip of sand basically, not really in a shade, but near there's some really good snorkeling areas, so they recommended that to us. But we considered the more expensive option, which was 3,000 pesos between us, and that was because you also got a lunch included. You had
buffet lunch, wasn't it?
Yeah,
was really good.
Monster buffet lunch. There was a paddle boat experience that you could have, free snorkeling kit, the sandbar as well, and then they also had an infinity pool at the resort on site. So we took that option mainly because of the food, really, and it did pay off. It was awesome.
It was such a good day.
Yeah.
The snorkeling was amazing. We just like so many different coloured fish and the shoals of fish.
Yeah.
And it was just apparently there's turtles there, but we didn't get to see any.
We didn't see the turtles.
But hopefully one day we will whilst we're in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Alcoy.
Yeah, we've got a few things planned for that, haven't we? So SUMILON Island, we were there most of the day. It was really funny though, as we spent more and more time there, we kind of found it very commercial. Like guys were like, hi, can I get you a water? And then as we were leaving, like what happened when we were leaving?
So when we were leaving, we set off on the boat, and they got one member of staff from each department to like wave us off, just like really goodbye.
It was proper cheesy, wasn't it?
We wish we filmed it, but
oh god. When we were setting up the drone for the first time, the lifeguard came over and told us off. Said we needed a Filipino license, which I've heard you don't really need, but anyway. So we left the beach and we went into the mangrove and we set it up there and got a bit more footage. So it is what it is.
Yeah.
So that was SUMILON Island.
Yeah.
And then today
we went to
Tumalog Falls, which is not far away, 20-30 minutes drive from here. it was class, wasn't it?
Yeah,
it was really
It
good.
was like one of the biggest waterfalls we've ever seen.
Yeah.
It was immense.
Yeah.
Went for a swim, didn't we?
Yeah, we did a bit of swimming. We couldn't fly the drone next to the waterfalls just because there was so much spray coming off them. But then after that, we did get the drone.
Further away, didn't we? And then we like went high up.
Yeah, I got some really good footage. So hopefully, looking forward to seeing that. So that was Tumalog Falls. The other experience here was whale sharks. We decided not to do it in the end, didn't we?
Yeah.
We heard mixed things. So
I think we just want to see them more in their natural environment, whereas here they feed them constantly in the morning to get them to come here.
yeah,
You know what I mean? I think we'd rather do more of a diving experience where
we just didn't fancy sitting on the beach for a few hours with thousands of people
it's very crowded.
waiting for like a 5-minute experience with the shark, which is just constantly eating because it's in that kind of routine. So we've heard you can do it in other areas of the Philippines, so if we ever come back, we're probably going to do it there, aren't we?
Yeah.
Some people certainly do want to do it, and you know, if you want to do it, go for it, because it's still a beautiful beast, and you know, I'd like to see one eventually, but just not here for us.
Yeah.
So we just spent the afternoon by the pool. We've got the lovely sea view, and it's just been nice, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice here.
So yeah, it's kind of summed up Oslob, hasn't it?
Yeah.
What's next, Laura?
So next we're going to EECO. If I'm saying that right.
Yeah, you are, yeah. We've been saying Sikijo for the past few weeks, and everyone's been like, where's that? It's called Sikijo apparently, so yeah, we're learning.
So we're going to get a tricycle down to the port, which is at the very bottom of the island, and then get a direct boat from there to Sikijo.
Yeah.
And then our hotel is arranged to pick us up. So yeah.
And we've got like nearly a week there this time, haven't we?
Yeah.
5 nights, so really looking forward to that.
Yeah.
And we'll keep you updated.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Yeah. Right, until next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.